Alright, folks, hi. We're going to ask a simple question today to some folks outside. And the question is going to be, have you ever licked? So let's see what's their reaction, why they react, how do they react. Because you know what? When we say lick, culture comes in and then some kind of something happens and a smile might come. Someone might even lash out at us. But let's see. So the question is, have you ever licked?
Sorry? Pardon me? क्या चाहता
That's a question.
Oh, okay.
क्या आपने चाटा है?
क्या चाहता है मतलब क्या बहुत सी है there are many things so you have to specify what
अच्छा, आपको क्या लग रहा है? क्या किस बारे में बात कर
आप
रहा हूँ?
डायरेक्ट आंसर क्वेश्चन पूछेंगे तो मैं डायरेक्ट आंसर दे पाऊंगा ना
get a specific answer then
I will come again.
Okay.
Have you ever licked?
Yeah.
Have you?
yeah
Yeah.
No,
no I mean I was
Huh?
you're not completing your question.
hoping for a question have you ever licked something
I'm not asking him to lick anything. By the way,
Yes, definitely we have done it.
you've done it.
Yes, obviously.
no
No.
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 Okay, yes.
हाँ चाहता है
नहीं.
No, not at all.
nothing no
Not at all.
Yeah. Not yet.
But not yet. Sooner or later.
No. No.
But why?
नहीं अभी तक कभी चांस नहीं आया वैसे
अभी तक नहीं. तो कभी शुरू होगा भाई?
क्या शादी में
क्या लगा? क्या पूछ रहा हूँ? क्या चाटने का पूछ रहा हूँ?
depends no.
It can be anything like can be anything.
My God. और आपका दिमाग कहाँ जा रहा है?
क्या लिख दिया नहीं और क्या होगा
जाने तो यार
अरे शर्मा गए. अरे क्यों?
Pass. Yeah, I think we'll. Yeah.
But what did you think I'm asking you?
जो सब करते हैं वही
क्या सब करते हैं?
No, I don't want to answer that.
Why?
Because
There is a no meaning in your question.
There is no meaning in my question. Okay, why do you think there is no meaning?
I feel I don't know you, so I don't feel like I owe you answer to such question right now.
जी,
नहीं, आपके सवाल में
कोई
meaning नहीं हो रहा है.
कोई मतलब नहीं है. What kind of a question is it?
Okay. Now I have been living in India for 19 years,
Yeah.
so I know what my culture is, and I can tell you that I haven't done that, but it's something which you shouldn't ask anyone because the people aren't that open to such questions here right now.
just your question is so tricky
Exactly, it's a trick question.
yeah
So leave that trick alone and tell me.
yeah I licked
You licked.
yeah
What did you lick?
So many things.
So many things.
Sure.
I don't want to say that word.
You don't want to say that word.
pussy
हाँ, पुसी बोला. हाँ, पुसी बोला. और कुछ नहीं, पक्का. मैं 4 साल की उम्र से चाट रहा हूँ. बाकी कुछ नहीं चाटा. बाकी कुछ नहीं चाटा.
yeah I've licked ketchup off a plate
And ice cream.
ऐसे आइसक्रीम है, आइसक्रीम तो कोई भी चाट सकता है.
कोई भी चाट सकता है. पर आपको क्या लगा? मैं क्या पूछ रहा हूँ?
lollipop yeah alright chocolate or something
But what did you think I was saying?
lollipop
No body parts.
I haven't licked it
उंगलियां
Huh?
मेरी उंगलियां
It. Why don't you say the word?
Because I don't know why.
आपने अपनी उंगलियां चाटी हैं. पहले आदमी जो उंगलियां भी चाटते हैं. I was saying a lollipop.
Yeah, okay.
And that lollipop maybe in your head went like, come on my good ship, lollipop. But I was asking about licking an ice cream, a lollipop, a toffee. See where your head went.
Thinking जो भी है negative रहता है.
No, that tells me what kind of person you are, because you know that people are going to take the bad meaning out of it.
All right, thank you, man. As I said in the beginning, we're just going to check out what one word can trigger inside a brain. The word lick triggers a closed room with chichi ho stuff. But that's not what we are looking for. Do get ready to get out some more haramkhori out of us. We're going to put up more stuff next week for you. Please check out the space. Thank you for being with us.